Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we have started studying the third lesson. Yes, what is the name of the lesson? Fiber to fabric. Okay, so in the previous video class we have studied the definition of a fiber and its types of fibers. Yes, so what we studied the definition of a fiber, can you tell me what are fibers? The thin threads that form a clothes are called a fibers. How many types of fibers are there? There are two types of fibers are there. One is a natural fiber and one is a synthetic fiber. Dear students, today we are going to study about natural fibers. Okay, natural fibers are divided into again two types. One is a plant fibers and one more is a animal fibers. What are natural fibers? The fibers which are made from plants and animals are called a natural fibers. In a natural fibers, again there are two types are there. One is a plant fiber. Fibers obtained from plants are known as a plant fibers. The fibers which are obtained from animals are called animal fibers. So today we are going to study first about plant fibers. In a plant fibers, for example, cotton and jute. These are the example for plant fibers. Animal fibers, silk and wool are the animal fibers. So today we will study about the plant fiber. The first one, cotton. In detail we are going to study about cotton today. Yes, dear students, can you tell me what are plant fibers now? The fibers which are obtained from plants are known as a plant fibers. Remember, examples, cotton. Cotton is obtained from a cotton plant. Jute. Jute is also obtained from a jute plant. Okay. So, cotton, jute and coir are the main fibers obtained from a plants here. Can you see? This is a cotton, this is jute and this is a coir. So, today we will study about in detail about cotton. We are going to study here. See dear students, this is the cotton plant. Can you see here? This is the cotton plants, how it is grown in a plant. Okay, this is a cotton plant. Here I have put the pictures. You can see it. Okay, let us see about cotton. Cotton is a soft staple fiber that grows in a form of a known as a ball around the seeds of the cotton plants. Dear students, it is a soft staple. Yes, by seeing the cotton, can you tell how it is? It is very soft it is. How it is? Very soft it is. If you touch, you feel very smooth. So it is a soft staple fiber it is. And how it is? Okay, it is grows in a form known as a ball around the seeds of a cotton plants. How it grows? It grows in a which form? In a boll. B-O-L-L, boll. Okay, around the seed. Can you see here? Around the seed it has grown here. Okay. The fibers is collected by either hand picking or by machines. Then how this cotton fiber is collected? They will collect either by the hand picking, nothing but by using the hands they will remove the cotton here. They will pluck the cotton, or by even by using machines also they will remove the cotton from cotton plant here. The fiber is most often spun into yarns or a threads here. Yes, dear students, what they will do? They will spun into yarns, nothing but in this form. Yarns are nothing but here you can see the yarns of a jute. In a ball form they will make here. Okay. The threads are used to weave a soft, breathable fabric. Cotton is the most widely used natural fiber from which cloth is made today. Yes, we are using cotton in our day-to-day life. We are wearing cotton clothes. Yes, we are wearing a cotton. Yes, a kerchief we are using. For bedsheet purpose we are using. It is used widely. How it is used? It is most used widely. As a natural fiber it is. Okay. Cotton is used to make a number of textile products. Where the cotton is used? Here we will study about some of the uses of cotton here. So cotton is used to make what? Number of textile products. Textile products are nothing but here clothes, bed sheets, socks. These are the textile products. So these include terry cloth, used to make a highly absorbent bath towels, robes, denim, used to make a jeans also. See dear students, where the cotton is used, we are using in a towels. Yes, we are using a cotton towels. Yes, after bathing will it should absorb the water here, as the cotton is having a absorbing power. Okay, it is having a absorbing power. Cotton, it will absorb the water very soon. So we are using a cotton bath towels, and when it is used in a jeans also. Yes, we are whatever we are wearing the jeans today, that is made up of a cotton only. Cotton is also used to make a khadi and handmade fabric also. Even in a khadi products also, the pure cotton they are using here. Socks, innerwear and most t-shirts are made from a cotton. Yes, dear students, again where the cotton we are using? We are using for a socks, we are using for a innerwear purpose, and even for the t-shirts. Yes, in a t-shirts also we are using the cotton here. Bed sheets are also often made from a cotton only. Yes, we are using bed sheet for the beds. Okay, that bed sheets are also made from what? They are also made from cotton here. Cotton is also used to make a yarn used in a crochet and knitting. Yes, dear students, they are using yarns are nothing but the rolls here. Bundle will be there. Okay, that cotton bundle we are using where? For knitting purpose also. Yes, by the hand they will knit it. Yes, to make any like a mattress, it may be mat. Okay, for that purpose they are using this cotton here. It is widely used to make a mattress. Mattress is nothing but a bed here. Yes, whatever we sleep on the bed, it will be filled with a cotton here. For that we are calling mattresses. So it is widely used to make a mattresses. Cotton is first sterilized and used for a clinical purpose also. Yes, it is widely used in a clinical purpose. Hospitals where they are using for sterilize, if they want to inject, nothing but a sterilization we call. For injection we call a sterilization. So before, first they will sterilize it now. First for that they will use what? They will use the cotton here. Okay, yes, even in hospitals we are using a cottons. So in a clinical purpose also the cotton is used here. Cotton clothes are more commonly used in areas with the tropical climates, as they are comfortable in a summer season. In which season we are wearing cotton clothes? In a summer season we are wearing the cotton clothes. Why we are wearing the cotton clothes in a summer season? Can you guess, dear students? Yes, because it will absorb the sweat here. So we are wearing the cotton clothes in summer season, not in a winter season. We are wearing the woolen clothes in a winter season. Why only the cotton clothes we are wearing in summer season? As the cotton clothes will absorb the sweat very easily. For that purpose we are using the cotton clothes in a summer season. Cotton clothes are suitable for summer season. Cotton has been grown in India for 1,000 of years ago. See dear students, from the thousands years the cottons they are growing in our India. So it has many uses. We are using in our day-to-day life the cotton. Yes, in a towels, it may be socks, it may be in a innerwear, t-shirts. Okay, even in a mattress also. Yes, we are using in all the textile products we are using the cotton. Remember, it is one of the soft staple fiber. What is a cotton? Cotton is a soft staple fiber, and it grows in a form of a boll. In which form? In a BOLL, boll form, around the seeds of a cotton plant. Okay, the seeds will be there, around that it will grow. Can you see here the seed? This outer covering only is the seed here. Around that the cotton has grown here. So some of the uses of cotton also we have studied here. Can you tell now some of the uses of cotton? Yes, the cotton is used in a bed sheets. First one, it is used to make a number of textile products, and cotton is used in a clinical purpose also. In a general way, you can write the points here. No need to copy from the textbook. In your own sentence also you can tell. Again, cotton is used in a socks, innerwear and t-shirts, and cotton is used in jeans also, and even it is used to make a khadi and handmade fabric. If the khadi products, if they want make, then their cotton they are using, and it is most suitable in a summer season. Why it is most suitable in a summer season? Because it will absorb the sweat easily. So the cotton clothes we are wearing in a summer season, and from thousands of years we are using cotton in our Indian country. Remember all these point here, as it is highly absorbent. Cotton is highly absorbent, so we are using it in a bath towels also, robes also, and denim also, and to make even jeans also. Remember all these points. So today we studied about what? We studied about the cotton. So dear students, in the next video class again we'll study about the jute and coir, which is a plant fiber. Cotton is also the plant fiber, because we are getting cotton from a cotton plant. So now it's a time for the homework. So difficult words have given here. The first one is a staple, BOLL, bowl, collected, machines, yarns, textile, terry cloth, absorbent, mattresses, clinical. These are the some of the difficult words I have given for you. Okay, read how much I taught the lesson and practice the difficult words. As you all know that you are having PA1. So for PA1 you are having the first lesson and second lesson, as I have completed both the lesson. So read the exercise part and study well, dear students, and prepare well for your exams. In the next video class again we will continue with this lesson. Till that, have a nice day. Thank you.